The private prosecution flows from Zuma's criminal charge against Downer and Maughan for the alleged unauthorized disclosure of MPA documents, which included a medical report. The medical report was attached to court documents which were filed with an application by Zuma for a postponement of his fraud and corruption trial. Maughan is applying for an urgent interdict to stop Zuma's prosecution and alleges that it's aimed at intimidating her and preventing her from doing her work as a journalist and reporting on Zuma's criminal trial. And she also wants the prosecution set aside.
The application has been brought for the sole purpose of harassing her, intimidating her, and preventing her from doing her job. Now, of course, Mr. Zuma disputes that, and he's entitled to dispute that, but that is Ms. Maughan's case.
But Zuma's legal team denies this.
We do not agree that the matter has been brought for the purposes of harassing Ms. Maughan. The matter has been brought for the purposes of enforcing the criminal law because she broke the criminal law by being a participant in the exchange of documents without the permission of the Director of Public Prosecutions or the private prosecutor.
Advocate Downer will submit that the private prosecution is declared abuse of the court.
Not only do we submit that this prosecution is an abuse and therefore an invalid prosecution, but also that we deny that this court has jurisdiction. One of the complaints is about something they say happened in Johannesburg. And secondly, that we deny that the private prosecutor has standing to prosecute under Section 7 of the Criminal Procedure Act.
A group of Zuma supporters gathered outside the court. He later addressed them in his first public address since his 15-month prison sentence expired last week. He's been on medical parole since September last year.
I don't submit to anyone. I took a decision to fight for the oppressed in this country. No one is going to take me back to those days of oppression, even if that person is a judge.
The ANC leadership in the province has reiterated their support for Zuma. Renee Heine, SABC News, Pietermaritzburg.